occasion, and I like to call it the Crusty Meatball.
Meatballs, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, extra virgin is what I use. I use spicy marinara
So
sauce.
if you want to set your temp, you want to get the baking down. You want to set it to 350. So now that we've got the oven preheating, now it's time to get the Crusty Meatball set up. First, you need your meatball and your trusty crescent rolls. Now we roll. Now they're ready to bake.
Perfectly.
Now for a quick taste test. Take it, dip it. Ooh, it's still kind of hot. And you dip it in the Parmesan. Mmm.